Are you still monitoring your IBMI the old way? Occasionally, when someone complains, or never at all? Robot Console, the premier message, log, and resource monitor tool for your IBMI, automates the mundane and error-prone task of manual system monitoring. It automates messages, checks system resources, and escalates critical FTP, system history log, or security log journal entries automatically. When something goes wrong, Robot Console can fix it or escalate the issue for human intervention. The Robot Console Explorer displays the status of the monitored objects from your system so you're aware of what's going on. The Message Center lists those messages waiting for intervention, such as a printer message or a message from one of your applications. Robot Console automatically filters out unnecessary messages so you don't miss the critical ones you need to tend to. Other features include the ability to look up the message history, message responses, and who replied to a message, and even how long it took. Critical messages can be color-coded, and message text can be substituted automatically so your operators know what to do when a message occurs. Create recovery instructions and include those right in the message that the operator will see. Especially important for critical messages such as disk failure or storage threshold exceeded, any message can be escalated to interested parties. Bring the message to the attention of your operators or of your system administrators by using the built-in notification list option. This option will escalate and break messages into an operator or administrator green screen, or through the notification option that is built into the Robot Console Explorer desktop. Especially effective is adding Robot Alert into the Robot Console monitoring solution so you can send out email or text messages with this information to all interested parties. SNMP is another built-in escalation option for sending message, resource, or log information to an enterprise-wide monitoring solution. Message rules can be created for inquiry and informational messages so they get the correct response every time. Rules can be made unconditional or conditional with our built-in scripting language called OPAL. OPAL allows you to condition your message responses, call programs, execute commands, or even run a robot scheduled job when a message occurs. Or let OPAL read through the text of the message or look for certain built-in variable information in your message text and make decisions based on what it finds. You can also disallow certain replies from being taken by users or operators or even administrators by adding the Disallowed Replies option to your message set, thereby preventing a certain reply value from being used unless that user is specifically named or they're part of a user class. Do you regularly check system resources or objects such as job queues, subsystems, or out queues, or even critical jobs, just to make sure they're active, in the correct status, or not getting backlogged with work? Robot Console's resource monitoring feature automatically checks system resources, and when not in the expected status, will generate a message and escalate that information to the appropriate interested party. Subsystem not active? Be notified by Robot Console visually in the Explorer through email via the Robot Alert interface, and automatically restart the subsystem using a Robot Console message set. FTP, security log, and QHIST monitoring are additional sources of information for Robot Console to monitor so you don't have to. Want to track when an FTP happens? Possibly be notified when someone changes the system value? This is easy to do in Robot Console. Contact us today to download a trial copy of Robot Console and Robot Alert, or schedule a one-on-one demo so we can show you how to have peace of mind that your IBMI system is under the watchful eye of Robot.